Are you passionate about content writing? Got the desire to enter into the digital world of creative writing? Then before you start your career as a content writer, you should have some idea about it. My learning course would be the perfect fit for you. Let's start from the basic question. What is content writing? Content writing is the process of drafting, writing, and editing web content for digital marketing purposes. Content writing is not an easy job. It needs good writing skills, knowledge of SEO, hard work, and full determination. Content writing is one of the most rewarding careers at this time. What are the different types of content writing? SEO content writing, technical writing, communication and marketing writing, publication based and editorial writing, instructional design, research and report writing, writing on corporate social responsibility, feature writing, business writing, press release writing, ghost writing, copywriting. What are the key features of content writing? Make sure that what you say is meaningful and serves a purpose. Say it in simple words. Be transparent about your offering. Provide clear explanations in a concise manner. Keep it fresh if you want people to return. What are the benefits of content writing course? Great design doesn't say much if there's no meaningful content. My learning course helps the candidate to develop their writing skills and prepare them to be employment ready when the training program is over. The program also offers them to analyze their own writing and reflect on the modifications they can bring to make it better. Why choose us? My learning course enables you to realize the challenges and demands of writing for clients in the real world, making you better writers. My learning course differs from others in many ways. We keep track of your learning, supports learning through discussion, conducts pre-interview training. We provide the necessary core concepts that cover aspects of digital marketing. You can achieve industry expert certification from my learning course. Invest time and effort in your content writing now to reap the benefits in the future. Still confused? Then let's have a detailed discussion over a call or chat. We do it right? Reach us now. For more information, please visit our website www.mylearningcourse.com. Please do like and subscribe to our channel.